Why do SaaS business owners avoid using Stripe? If you're planning to grow your SaaS business, you definitely don't want to be relying on Stripe because you're going to be losing out on a ton of opportunity costs that we'll be sharing in today's video. Let's go over some of the key reasons why you should avoid only using Stripe if you're planning to scale your online SaaS business. So one of the big problems with Stripe is that you don't own your data and you don't have the ability to walk away with it if you'd like to. Therefore, if you're banned from Stripe, you're going to have to start completely from scratch on a new platform, losing all your critical customer data, including the customer's payment details, address, payment preferences, payment history, jeopardizing the continuation of your business. 2, Stripe doesn't have a bunch of features such as chargeback protections, payment reminders, analytics, and this can lead to a bunch of money being left on the table, having missed opportunities, and diminished customer satisfaction. Without having detailed analytics, it makes it difficult to analyze your customers by geography, demographic, age, buying history, trends. And without all this information, it's just going to make it hard for you to make informed decisions as the owner of your own business. So what's the solution? Subscription management software, giving you ownership and portability of your data, allowing you to do things such as seamlessly transitioning into other payment gateways if need be. Let's say you're banned from Stripe, you can seamlessly transition into another payment gateway with ease. In doing so, safeguarding you against potential bans. And 2, it will provide you with enhanced chargeback protection, payment reminders, analytics, giving you all the data and tools you need in order to scale your SaaS business. By having enhanced chargeback protection and payment reminders automated, it will reduce any potential revenue loss. Additionally, by being able to access all this advanced analytical data, it will provide you deeper insights into your customers' behavior, helping you to optimize your offerings, your product, and provide the customer a better experience, and ultimately grow your business. So when it comes to a subscription management software, there's a bunch of options out there. You can just simply Google subscription management software. One option I highly recommend is OpenPay. I've collaborated with them where they've brought all this valuable information to the video today, and I highly recommend them. Therefore, I highly recommend you to look into a subscription management software when it comes to growing your SaaS business to ensure ownership and protection of your customers' data, as well as giving you the valuable insights you need to grow and scale as a business owner.